Last spring, we talked about pruning our storm damaged trees. Well, here we are, another round of storms have gone through the state, and so we thought it would be important to review that one more time. If you have larger trees in your property, it's important to get out soon after the storm to evaluate to make sure we don't have any safety concerns in your lawn. You may need to use binoculars or certainly your cell phone to get a better view of any potential cracked or broken branches that are high up in a tree. If you do have something that's very high up and that can't really be handled from you standing on the ground, it's important to call a certified arborist to have them come in and evaluate that tree, and then they'll be able to guide you through the process of either removal or pruning. If you have smaller trees or shrubs, then you certainly can go out and do some of that pruning now. I suggest that at this point, we don't go through and do extensive pruning. We just remove the damaged branches or clean up any torn bark that may be on the trunk of the tree. Take care of some of that now, and then as we go through the year and into the fall, you can then reevaluate that tree and see if more pruning is required. If the tree has a damaged or broken leader, and again, if it's a fairly small tree, you may consider just going ahead and replacing that tree. Usually having a broken leader in a small tree will signal that the tree will have difficulty as it goes into the future. So probably a good time just to restart the whole process. If it's a larger tree with a broken leader, again, we worry about some of that new wood, some of that new branching that will occur down the road that's weaker, has weaker attachments, and then they also become problems going into the future. So that's a discussion you would have with your certified arborist, is maybe we need to remove the tree because of that broken leader. So it's important that, again, if you have high branches, heavy wood that you have to remove, that you call a certified arborist and have them evaluate that tree for you. If it's smaller stuff, then you could look at taking some of those branches off the trunk of the tree, cleaning that up right now, and again, continuously evaluate your trees as we go through this stormy spring of ours.